Good day, guys. It's Million Boy here, and I'm here with another video on how to make money online. How to make money online. In my first video, I introduced you to how to make money while playing games online. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online by generating traffic to your site. Yeah, that's what I'm going to talk about today. Before I start, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you motivate me to do more. Yeah, the more I see people subscribing, the more I'll be motivated to do more. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to generate traffic to your website to get more sales, more referrals in order to increase your earnings. But before I start everything, I want to ask a question. I want you to know the method you use to generate traffic to your site. You can drop down the link below if you have any. That I'm not going to talk about. But I want to share with you how I used to search for referrals, and at the end, I don't get the result that I expected. Yeah, what I normally do is I used to post my referral links on various social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. I post on my WhatsApp status so that when people view, they'll get to know what I'm talking about. But then I don't get the results. People view my status and I don't get any message from them. I go ahead to post in various WhatsApp groups, and then only few people, about 2 to 3 people, will message me. Yet that one too, I don't get any response. Now Facebook, I post on my walls, I share in groups, and only few people will respond to it. Now I know that that's the most method that we are all familiar with, and that's the method we all use. But then today I want to talk about something different which I used, and I really get response. People were asking me, tell me about the product. People were emailing me and stuff that I really had response to whatever business I was running online, and that's exactly what I want to share with you. So uh, I know this video will really help you, and it will improve your search for referrals, your search for increasing sales online. So before we start everything, give me that motivation by subscribing to my YouTube channel so that I'll be motivated to do more. So now let's begin the reason why you are here, how to generate traffic to your site. Now the site I'm going to introduce you to today is called Sleep. Sleep is a site I'm going to introduce you to today. So if you have not joined, you join for free. It's right here, you join for free. But since I have already joined, I'll just click login to log into my page. As you can see, this site has been launched since 2008. And it is really working. It is giving results to people who really use it. And this is the site I want to recommend to you today, that you use this site to make money online. So let me log into my site. Okay, so yeah, so I've logged in. As you can see, I'm a free member here. I've not upgraded my account, but still I get results to my advertisement that I post on this website. So once you sign up, this will be your dashboard. So what you have to do is you only have to view about 10 advertisements a day to qualify. you only view 10 advertisements a day to qualify. So once you view the advertisements, you come here, go to post credit is free. It's right here. So yeah, so you place your advertisements here, and this is where it's going to show. As you can see, I posted an advertisement and I had 52 visitors to whatever I posted. So this is what I posted. This is what I posted, and this is the results I told you guys about. This is the result I told you about. But once you post here, no matter what, people will come to your site. People will visit your site no matter what. So all you have to do is view advertisements. You view advertisements. Let's see for this one, for instance. You just view. Yeah, you just view. So this is what the lady here is saying, that welcome back. It's your first aid today. Keep it up. So this is the first aid I'm viewing today. So I have to view about 10 aids to qualify for daily bonus. So now you'll be getting credit, and the credit that you get is what they are going to transfer to the it's the credit that you are going to use to get your referrals to your website on whatever you are going to post. So let's say you get about, let's say you get about 50 credits. Yeah, a day you are able to get about 50 credits, and then that 50 credits, when you convert it to your visitors, people will be visiting your site, will be about 40 or 42 or so, about 40 or 42 or so. So this is the site that I'm recommending to you. Now once you have that credit here and you post your link, it becomes the duty of the system to bring visitors to your site. It becomes the duty of the system to bring visitors to your site. So that's what you have to do. You only have to view about 10 advertisement a day, and then you will qualify to post your link. Now what you have to know is you can also earn from this site. You can also earn by sharing your referral links, and whoever use your link to sign up, you earn a bonus which you can convert to money. You can withdraw to Bitcoin or PayPal or your bank account or anything that you want. So this is the site I want to talk about now, and it's 100% legit and free to use. You can decide to upgrade, or you can decide to use it as a free member. So if you want to share your referral link, you just go here, referral links and choose, and then you can see your links over here. You just copy your links and you share it on the various you can even use this same system to get referrals to your site. So for now, this is what I want to talk about, and I think it will be very, very beneficial to you. Thank you for watching.